Welcome to this video, everyone. Let's talk about the Shopify Editions Winter 2024 and how this will play a big effect on high ticket dropshipping. So this is my first time actually going over Shopify Editions. So we'll be going over the features and what is new coming very, very soon. Some features are going to be for Shopify Plus that will eventually roll to the regular Shopify plan, but these are some amazing features that you want to be looking forward to with your normal Shopify store. First of all, we see that this is for winter 2024. Shopify does this like every 6 months or so, and there's always new features. Very good. So first is going to be powering more complex products and attributes. So this seems like it says we're improving how all products, even the most complex, are listed and discovered on Shopify with the largest update to our product model in over a decade. From a new app for merchandising products that come in multiple colors and sizes to a new product taxonomy and more. So it looks like from this image right here, if we just scroll through real quick, basically it will give you more options to categorize your product. So we see color, material, clothing size. This is good in what way? So this is good if you have a large catalog and you can use these rather, I would call them like filters, to kind of give your customers an easier way to sort through product types. So an example is if you sell bathroom vanities, this is absolutely necessary because when you have all these different sizes, color combinations, sinks, and maybe they have faucets or not, there's so many variants and customers have a very hard time finding your products. And this is an area where other retailers such as Wayfair really excel at their product catalog. Now Shopify is rolling out with this feature, which is excellent for us smaller retailers being able to add additional features to our Shopify backend. So this is excellent for large catalogs and being able to give customers an easy way to find different options, essentially, by allowing you to create more than one filter. So here are 3 more amazing features, which is going to be Shopify combined listings. I'm actually already using this, which is the combined listings app. I'm actually using the Shopify bundles app, which kind of does the same, but Shopify combined listings, what does this do? So products that come in multiple colors and styles can be all merchandised from a single parent listing, each variant with its own description, media gallery, and URL. So essentially, if you have listings with all different colors, so high ticket products, if you're bulk importing, variants are very difficult. Even I don't like doing variant importing because it's just a little bit too complex. But now if you import each product, if they are like, let's say a vanity, blue and 48-inch, blue and 60-inch, blue and 20-inch, you can combine them all into one listing automatically with the Shopify combined listing app, which is excellent. This is something we've been missing for quite some time. This is exclusive to Shopify Plus, which is kind of unfortunate, but the good thing is these features that come just to Shopify Plus eventually rolls down to the regular Shopify plan. Next is going to be rich attributes for each product category. So this kind of has to do with what this is above. Nothing too much there. API support up to 2,000 variants per product. This is excellent for high ticket stores because I think the current limit is about 500 variants, if I'm not wrong, but 2,000 variants is amazing, and it does not say it's limited to Shopify Plus, which means everyone else on the regular Shopify plans can have lots of variants. So this is excellent for us small retailers that are working with US suppliers that have lots of variants. Specifically vanities are a big one. They have like 5 different variants, and then we have like fire pits, which there's so many variants to choose from. So this should help with the product listing. Next, it's going to be semantic search. So smarter search that better understands the customer's buying intent. So this is kind of baking AI with Shopify, which is I'm a big fan of because AI should absolutely improve the customer experience. So you can see right here, something warm to wear in the winter, and then it auto populates these, hats, and then coats and all that stuff. So this is exclusive to Shopify Plus right now, but basically this will come to the Shopify Search and Discovery app. This is a free app I highly recommend you use if you're not using apps like Cloud Search and Product Filter. And this is like a search app. Basically, you can make people searching a specific term. You can customize it by adding filters. You can add synonyms. I highly recommend it. And it actually seems like this app has gotten better over time. Before, when I saw it, it used to be very low rating. They probably added a lot of new features. And I probably would not even use the app that I'm using, which is Cloud Search and Product Filter, just because you can save a little bit of money. I'm on one of these $14 plans, and the Shopify Search and Discovery plan just does the exact same. So you may as well just use Shopify Search and Discovery. So that is an excellent feature. Shopify subscriptions app now in full release. So this is, you will be able to charge subscriptions, not too applicable to shop like high ticket dropshipping, but if you can think of something outside of the box that you can bundle with your products and if offer a subscription service, this could be something quite interesting. Nothing that really sticks out to my head right now, but I'm sure some other people can think outside the box and incorporate subscriptions with high ticket dropshipping. Bundles up to 30 products. I've been using this app for a little while already. But basically, this is a Shopify bundles app. You can pick up to 30 products and bundle it all together into one product, and it will be just one listing, and it syncs out all the inventory. You can do, all your pricing, all synced into one listing. Excellent. And then now draft orders support discounts in Metafield. I'm pretty sure draft orders already support discounts, but you had to enter those in manually, but it seems like now you can do it automatically with discount codes. Metafield's not too important in terms of draft orders. New types of discounts to entice buyers. Drive higher conversions with new types of discounts, including free automatic shipping and a fixed amount off. This is a underrated feature in my opinion. Basically, I recently started charging shipping for anything under $200. This is because for high ticket, at least, a lot of products under $200 are not very profitable due to shipping costs. So what I like to do is charge like $19.95, or other people like to charge even up to $50 just because they don't really like to take very cheap orders. But with this new feature, you can basically say total savings, and it will kind of display, how much people need to add to their basket or their cart to get free shipping, in which my threshold is $200. So this is any little element like this definitely helps with conversion rate. Next is going to be Shopify checkout. Extend the world's best checkout with more API and features. So it seems like some different options with the checkout page. Seems like more add-ons and to make the checkout a little bit more unique. I'm pretty sure this is exclusive Shopify Plus, which is unfortunate for us normal Shopify users, but eventually more of these features will roll out. New one-page design that makes checkout faster. This is already live, and I highly recommend you try it out. I cannot really tell if there's a difference in conversion rate, but gut feeling, it does seem to do pretty well for high ticket. Mono's improvements, their checkout with checkout extensivity, premium luggage brand. Okay, I don't think that's too important. 90 plus new apps to elevate your checkout experience. Let's see some of these apps. So these are review apps, personalization engine. I'm not sure what this is. This seems like power personalization, no code software. So seems like a way to kind of give checkouts, bundles, and gifts with AI, which is something I've been looking forward to because of the fact that the current recommendations are really not that well. So this is also very expensive. For high ticket products, you're probably going to be paying like, that's a crazy amount of money, but we'll see. Interesting products or apps so far. We'll come back to this. Next is going to be Shopify checkout, Shop Pay. So Shop Pay, estimate large amounts. This is a cool feature. I'm pretty sure this is already out, but having it confirmed here basically gives a way for customers to see how much interest they will pay if they qualify for Shop Pay. Shop Pay and financing doesn't really make up much of my orders, but 1 in 15, 1 in 20 people do use it. Storefront performance, new web performance dashboard. Okay, something cool to have, but not really too necessary. Loading speed, this is pretty cool. Actually, without having to use GT metrics or any other page testing tool or like Google page speeds, this is a cool way to kind of visualize it in your dashboard. I like this. Channels, POS, we don't really do any POS, so we can skip this. B2B on Shopify. So empower your sales reps with new permissions for B2B orders. With new staff permissions, you can restrict access so your sales rep can only place orders and view customer information for their own account. Define access levels for sales managers and sales reps using roles. So more permissions is excellent because with my businesses, there's sales manager and sales reps, and we need different permissions to, sales managers probably have refund permission. Sales reps should probably only have view and create and edit permission. So this is cool to have, but I don't really see how this has to do with B2B, but let's see. Trade, our new theme optimized for B2B. So curious to see what that looks like, but there's no real preview right now. Go headless with B2B. Build unique experiences and user preference tech stack with B2B storefronts. This doesn't seem like anything really applicable to us. Custom promotional discounts for B2B. Create promotional discounts. This is just a separate way to segment, residential buyers to B2B buyers by creating basically B2B buyers had to verify their B2B information or their business information to get set up with an account, and then they get their own special pricing. You could already do it before, just you had to use a different code, but now it's all integrated. Of course, this is exclusive Shopify Plus, but relatively good regardless. Better filters and supplier details for discovering new products. So this Shopify or these extensive more features or filters kind of already are applicable with the current existing Shopify search and filter app, but good to have it either way. New timelines to track orders on Shopify Collected. Don't really see a point with this. Shopify Collective, curate products to sell with brands you love. Okay, so Shopify Collective, what they are doing is essentially, from just looking at this, they're trying to connect retailers and suppliers together without having to do the whole, reaching out to a supplier. So I'm not a big fan of this because mainly because the suppliers that are going to be on the Shopify platform, every seller is going to have, and in my opinion, it will just devote the value. So in my opinion, this is not really a good move on Shopify's end, but I can see it for the low ticket dropshipping guys. This is a plus, but for the high ticket guys, I don't really see this as a plus. I think most brands will not really be using this feature, the good brands at least. So interesting regardless. Fair, sell wholesale new sales channel for Shopify merchants. Fair is basically a wholesale platform where, us businesses could go buy at retail. You can't dropship, you can just buy at wholesale. So I'm not really a fan of Fair, but Shopify Marketplace Connect, select inventory locations for each regional marketplace. So seems like you can actually sync with eBay and inventory on eBay. If this could be opens up a few doors in terms of selling on marketplaces and doing all your inventory management. Fields automatically populated for apparel on Amazon. We don't really sell on Amazon. I think that's most of it. Shopify collabs. So, and nothing really too exciting there. Shoppable images or videos. This is like for low ticket. Increase order value if you're using lead capture. Interesting, but I don't see too much of a point. And then sync customer data from 3P marketing channels. This is pretty cool if it syncs with like Klaviyo. I think that's a Klaviyo logo. And basically it just syncs your information from Klaviyo to Shopify. So this is definitely a small win. Know and predict values of customer cohorts. this isn't really too important, especially for high ticket. Import and export customer meta fields, again, not too important for high ticket. And I think scroll the rest. A flexible line of credit right in your admin, Shopify credit, up term loans. Okay, not something necessary for high ticket at all. Populate new stores with existing store data. Widget for tracking performance on iOS devices. This is already live. I use it. 3D product models in minutes. This is really cool if we could actually do this for the high ticket products, mainly because, especially for furniture, people want to kind of visualize it in their home before buying. But again, I think suppliers kind of need to do this so they can actually scan the product before it actually works with the Shopify 3D app. Rest of this, always on address validation. This is already working, so everything else seems like just some nonsense, I think. And that's pretty much it for Shopify Editions 2024. Some very cool features. The ones I'm most excited for about is the Shopify combined listings and the APIs up to 2,000 variants per product. That is what I'm most excited about, as well as the AI searches, and the new discount codes are pretty cool. But overall, a nice small update, nothing too major. But regardless, for high ticket, definitely the Shopify platform is where you want to be. And you want a Shopify free trial that will last 93 days for just $3. All you need to do is check the link in the description below to get signed up with the Shopify free trial. But that's it for this video for Shopify Editions Winter 2024. I'll see you guys in the next one.